The Goas, the mentally, the sick, the beaches. Look at the ones. I like कि कितना खाली है beach. Of course, it's a Monday.
Where we are is called Baina Beach.
Baina Beach, Varunpuri Beach.
What's the name? How is Baina Beach?
This is a vlog of dinner in.
Dinner in.
कहाँ पे हम लोग? Bicholim.
Yeah.
Old Goa ना?
Old Goa, Panaji, Panjim.
Panjim, Old Goa, and
I'm not the best at this, so please don't quote me.
please, you actually know Goa. मला तर काहीच माहित नाही आहे.
Yes.
And so we are going to go to a nice seafood place.
Yes.
So yummy. Got a lovely sunset at क्या था? Baina Beach? Baina?
Baina Beach?
B-A-I-N-A. Baina Beach. And बघूया. Making a vlog on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 without the mic. आई शपथ काय सुंदर बिल्डिंग है. Check this. Shubham.
Dude, just chill. Just relax.
You're okay with the camera on you, Shubham?
Welcome to Goa. This is my friend Ankit, and we are hungry, and we are going to go to Konkani Canteen.
This is
with
also
a K.
an audio check to see कि इतने दूर से audio आता है क्या?
Yes, this is also an audio.
Of course
check.
आता है.
Yes. And now we're going to go inside, and we're going to grab a bite of a shark.
अधर की पसंद
Yes.
is कोकणी कैंटीन.
मसंद की पसंद. Thank God you didn't say मसंद की पसंद.
तू बोला.
Yeah, I
मैंने नहीं बोला.
I know.
Is it 7:30? It's dot
Yes,
7:30.
exactly.
We
It's
waited for
it's
them to open the restaurant.
7:29. It's 7:29. Can we do this? Can we do ऐसा एकदम? Can we please?
What is this for?
भीतर.
भीतर ये यार.
ये
आम्ही
यार.
आता open.
This is
Sir.
not. It's Konkani.
कोंकणी.
Yeah.
But very Marathi like.
Hello.
Best
Are you guys
जेवण
open?
आम्ही आता
Can we go?
closed.
Okay.
आतमध्ये. अरे वा किती सुंदर.
Yes.
So cute.
है ना?
अरे वा पाटावर बनता है सिलबट्टा. ये सो क्यूट भातुकलीचा खेळ जो बचपन में जो
Yes.
व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट इन नॉर्थ इंडिया
I don't know.
इन मराठी वी
Kids-
कॉल इट भातुकलीचा सेट. भातुकली इज ऑल मिनिएचर.
Miniature, like what kids play with.
Correct.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at what all we've got today. We've got इसवण, चोणक, सुंगटा, पापलेट, शेवटा, मणक्यो, कुर्ल्या, बांगडा, तिसऱ्या, मोहरी, बेरल्यो, बोंबील, शिनान्यो, काणे. Oh man, I'm loving the names here.
By order, huh?
By order. कुठे बसायचं?
I don't know. We can sit.
Corner?
Yeah. We can take a corner.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Nobody puts baby in a corner?
Yeah. Acha. Come.
पहले कैमरामैन को खिलाएंगे ताकि हम भी खा सकें. मी जाऊ का आतमध्ये?
Acha, you want to go inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
किसको अंदर?
Cha.
This is too much privilege to have a camera person, renowned camera person from Jaipur. Shubham is shooting us.
Shubham, who knows
This is
a
huge
photographer
privilege.
in every district. That's Shubham.
This is a huge privilege.
Thank you.
बैंगलोर में भी पता है क्या देखो photographers.
In every district. भाई, हम not states की बात कर रहे हैं.
मांडवी. बहुत सुंदर है.
Can we
interior.
park it somewhere?
Of course we
We
can.
can
There
park it there. I don't want to do
मजेदार
that.
गोष्ट है कि
उधर
there's-
लगा देते हैं ऐसे.
मजेदार गोष्ट है कि there's face tracking.
Yeah.
So
I think we should keep it on top.
Varti?
Yes,
ऊपर-
Varti.
ऊपर
yes.
भी रख सकते
Because eye level, yeah. So,
काय?
oh, there is a different thing. Okay, so you have different. We all have different stuff.
बहुत सुंदर मेन्यू आहे हा.
Yeah.
व्हॉट इज दिस? व्हेज मालवणी वगैरे कशाला? व्हेज उडद मेथी, चोण्याचो रस, इज चण्याची आमटी. XITT क्या होता है बे?
No idea. Shit.
ओश.
Sorry.
ऍक्च्युली शीत. ओ मराठीमध्ये भाताचं शीत इज इच इंडिव्हिज्युअल ग्रेन ऑफ राईस.
Oh.
भाताचं शीत. So it's the same one. My God, there's so many
So it's
Marathi
just
and
rice, no?
Konkani,
It's rice.
sheet. Yeah. Wow, but I had no idea that.
Basmati sheet. हाँ, so that's rice.
भाताचं sheet,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
guessing.
yeah.
Okay, ulta ये है. Fish is on the other side.
Goan pulao, amchi, goat meat salads,
There you go.
sweets, and this other cuisine. There is number one butter chicken, which I'm definitely not having.
I love the word. Hanche tanche. आमचे गोडशे स्वीट्स ए बिबिंका खाएंगे
What is that? I know what it is.
तू बिबिंका
I think I know what it is. But I can't.
and they also have सेरादुरा ओके
ठीक आहे.
ओके बिबिंका आणि सेरादुरा दोन्ही वी ऑब्वियसली स्टार्ट विथ डिझर्ट्स फर्स्ट सर तुम्ही घेणार का ऑर्डर वेरी गुड एक बिबिंका और एक सेरादुरा पहले लेके आएंगे विल स्टार्ट विद दैट थैंक यू दादा एंड फ्रेश लाइम सोडा है ओके आई टेक अ फ्रेश लाइम सोडा कोकम का कुछ है क्या
कोकम सोडा है, कोकम मिर्च है,
कोकम सोडा
कितना?
मैं कोकम सोडा लूंगा
और क्या है?
लेकिन मुझे ठंडा नहीं चाहिए पॉसिबल
रूम टेम्परेचर।
हाँ रूम टेम्परेचर सोडा होगा ना थैंक यू सो मच कोकम सोडा एक मैं लूंगा रूम टेम्परेचर
और क्या है ड्रिंक में?
ये भी
कोकम के सिवाय
दो
कोकम है।
कोकम सोडा देखो ठंडा चाहिए
नहीं,
रूम
room
टेम्प
temperature।
दोनों रूम टेम्प ऑसम
3 कर दो।
तीनों
3 कोकम सोडा,
Yes.
2 रूम टेम्परेचर,
तीनों।
रूम टेम्परेचर।
कहाँ से हो आशिम
मैं वेस्ट बंगाल से,
कहाँ पे
रानाघाट।
हाँ
कलकत्ता से दूरी पे
क्या?
रानाघाट कल्याण।
राना घाट।
राना घाट अरे वाह कैसा लग रहा है गोवा
बहुत अच्छा जगह है।
कब से हो
मैं 3 साल हो
सही लग रहा है रहते कहाँ पे
गए, पास में।
नजदीक इन लोगों ने दिया अकोमोडेशन अरे वाह
Recommendation।
वेरी नाइस मजेदार ठीक है
Thank you.
पहले बोलिए आइए थैंक यू
Hi, bro.
Yeah,
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
They have a thali also, which is really nice. Last time I had thali.
अच्छा कौन सा
Yeah.
तो
I don't know which one.
थाली कहाँ दिख रहा है
We have thali. Yeah.
वो इज इट
Yeah. We'll ask. There's a nice thali which has different fishes, rice,
हाँ that
something.
makes sense
It's very nice.
perfect
उसमें एक ही चीज है. There's one one item which is like this very smelly fish, the tiny
it's a
fish.
dry one
Yeah, I can't do that. Man.
Yeah.
I just couldn't do that.
सुकी सुंगटा तो उसको बोल सकते हैं एक
हाँ।
में से सुंगटा निकालेगा
हाँ।
तू सी फूड सब खा सकता है
सुंगटा नहीं खाएगा ना?
Tiger.
ट्राई करेगा ठीक है. We'll get one
लेकिन
सुंगटा for all
generally
of us.
राजस्थान या नॉर्थ के लोगों को सी फूड का स्मेल बट तू सब खाता है oh very good I'm not talking to an imaginary friend this is Shubham
Yes.
कैमरामैन को दिखाया जाए
I folks.
No, no,
it's not leaving my
It's
face
not
at
leaving.
all दिख गया तू
ठीक है.
और सब कुछ मिलेगा, सिर्फ थाली नहीं मिलेगा। बाकी अलग अलग फ्राई मिल जाएगा।
समझ गया समझ. Nice.
are you eating bibinka for the first time
No, I have had this before. I just didn't
Remember
recall
what it's
it.
called.
Yeah. I'm very other, by the way. This is nice.
this is the best
So
my
coconutty.
favorite
So chewy.
that is bibinka.
Made by Karachi Sweets.
Kaipat Karachi sweets and this is seradura
Thank you.
कोकम सोडा आई शपथ आई गो यम
Very refreshing. Also,
But
it's like getting my tummy ready for the food to come.
it's ambut favorite is dessert in the world bibinka
I don't know why, but it reminds me of somebody's name.
bibinka
Yeah. Like a surname or a first name.
and as children what we
Bianca. Bianca is a name, right?
do,
Yeah.
as kids what we do is so bibinka comes in this big packet mama uske pieces करके but it has layers no
Yeah.
so as kids Shubham that's how millennials grew up no smartphones bibinka का एक layer निकाल रहे हैं
Oh, really?
that is time pass and how to prolong the experience of eating and ingesting this delicious एक layer निकाल रहे हैं फिर उसका piece too much fun
You know, देखने में आम पापड़ सा लगता है.
yeah it's coconut the black palm jaggery and rice flour ठीक है अरे सेरादूरा के लिए है sorry
अच्छा, this is more.
and we should order mains or starters or something
Yeah. So he said there is no thali. So I definitely want to try some fish. And hopefully something with no bones.
dude I shapad
Come. You know?
life is too short
No.
always start with dessert first always like what if you pass out in the middle of no coconut milk what if you pass out in the middle of the meal so don't wait for dessert
Done it. So perfectly not
Sweet.
sweet.
Yeah. And the crumble on top, it's fighting with the moistness of the coconut pudding.
I'm trying to see how the crumble should last by the end. Like for the last bite, also it has some crumble there.
Protector.
Nice.
Super nice.
It's not super nice. It's very nice. Bye.
Bananas.
Yes.
आशिम भाई आ जाओ ना स्टार्टर शुरू करते हैं तीसरे आई और ओके विद क्लैम्स
सर अब नहीं
अरे दादा
बड़ा साइज
अच्छा
बड़ा साइज
अरे, ठीक।
उसका मिलेगा रवा फ्राई स्टार्टर में
मसल का रवा फ्राई है
सेल के अंदर का जो मांस होता है उसको निकाल लेते हैं
अच्छा अच्छा वैसे
उसके बाद मसाला लगा के रवा लगा के फ्राई करते हैं
अरे वाह समझ गया भाई आप बोलो ना फिर इधर का बेस्ट आइटम क्या होता है मैं तो
या
फर्स्ट टाइम
फिश में जाए तो चूना का रवा फ्राई अच्छा है चूना फिश
उसमें बोन से क्या
नहीं बोनलेस है
अच्छा
चूना रवा फ्राई
चूना का रवा
बड़ा आता है फिलेट हाँ
फिलेट रहता है पतला स्लाइस आता है बोनलेस आता है उसका रवा फ्राई
ठीक है और
दूसरा स्क्विड है बॉम्बिल है पॉम्फ्रेट है
स्क्विड बोम्बिल
Fish.
खाते हो
लेपो
I think I would want to try what he said first. The
चोना
tuna or the
कितना एक पीस आएगा
1.5
1.5 चोनक फ्राई में आएगा ठीक है तो तीनों में हो जाएगा और स्क्विड दे दो
रिंग रिंग आएगा सर
हाँ हाँ
अच्छा वो है क्या like calamari type.
हाँ
calamari.
calamari yes
I have had that before. So I'm gonna try something else.
बॉम्बिल है लेपो है किंगफिश है
जो
प्रॉन्स है
आप बता रहे थे बिना
दैट इज चोनक
चोना.
Without bones.
Okay.
दूसरा लेस बोन होता है किंगफिश मिलेगा सेंटर में
And mussels try करना? You want to try that?
हाँ मसल ट्राई कर
Mussels try करना?
मसल ट्राई
Yeah.
कर मसल रवा
And
सिर्फ रवा फ्राई आता है मसल अच्छा ठीक है स्टार्टर्स में वो शुरू करते हैं ना उसके बाद मेन कोर्स देखते हैं आई लाइक हाउ इज लाइक जस्ट टेलिंग द प्राइस अप
Yeah.
बिकॉज़ इट्स एज पर साइज
I think it's more also on the menu, right? So
जे एपीएस लिखा है ना जहाँ भी मेन्यू में दैट्स एज पर साइज बिकॉज़ जो भी
and the
मार्केट
size is
आएगा
you couldn't see it, but the size was his hand. You were like इतना आएगा, इतना आएगा, इतना आएगा. So
Oh yeah, forgetting
It
this
was
is
so
on.
nice.
मजेदार
I like that actually.
काय
As a creator, you're like forgetting that it's on. You know,
No,
like
also
the
because
fact-
it's so
it's so
discreet,
organic.
पता ही नहीं
No,
चलता
but
है.
for you, like for me, whenever it's on, I know it's on. Right? You know, it's
But
my,
will
like,
you switch on because it's on?
to some extent, yes, it is performative for me. Right now, yes, to an extent, I will not deny. I think you have been in front of camera enough that you don't. It's not
For a
performative.
lifetime.
Yeah. So it's different.
This is chonak rava fry that Adhar is trying to creep up on.
Please.
उसको हाफ हाफ करते हैं नहीं इधर ही I'll give शुभम get your piece.
So tasty.
Chutney
So tasty.
yeah fresh green chutney. Bon appetit. Bon appetit.
Oh, the chutney is so nice.
Mussels. Never had mussels rava fry.
You know? Crispy. Even I have never tried this before.
नींबू और चाहिए तो बता देना.
हाँ, मानते हैं उससे.
As a Maharashtrian, I use a lot of limbu.
Same. This adds that zing.
Everything just like makes everything come alive.
Oh, the chutney. This is so interesting, man.
Dude, that chutney.
Almost feels like palak. Oh, what is that chaat?
Palak patta chaat.
It almost feels like that. क्या बोल रहा चटनी है ना
Bombat.
Yeah. Good chutney.
I like chonak as a fish because it has big, chunky, flesh, white meat.
And it is boneless.
Correct.
At least this piece of it, I'm sure the fish is not boneless.
So it's yummy, easy to eat. Kids love it. Oh my gosh, so fresh. Why this is one reason alone जिसके लिए I would move to Goa. fresh seafood.
Yeah.
Bangalore does not have that, right?
No, it doesn't.
या तो
Not as,
कोची से आता है, मैंगलोर से आता है.
I mean, you don't have enough restaurants. You don't have a culture of fish.
One of my life dream is to open a seafood restaurant.
यहाँ पर डोसा कल्चर है. यार इसको ले लो, फिर इसको ले लो. इसको हाँ.
ये प्लेट आप ले जा सकते हो. अरे प्रॉपर पतीला लेके आए हैं.
क्या चिकन का आगे? Yes.
चिकन शागुती, प्रॉन्स, करी, राइस आणि पोळी.
Rice.
That's what dinner is looking like. थोड़ा ये प्रॉन्स है ना इसके अंदर का. ये स्पून. हाँ.
Oh, nice.
Yes, thank you. Goan prawn curry. That's the chicken shakuti. Rice, poi. शुभम कुछ भी बात नहीं कर रहा बिकॉज होपफुली उसको खाना पसंद आ रहा है. Loving it.
Yummy.
This is the best part when food comes and everybody shut up.
It's quiet and just busy eating. Yeah. I don't want to even look up from my plate. I'm like, this is good.
Great recommendation. Thank you for getting us here. If you want amazing word recommendations, contact Adhar.
Powered by all the other friends
Yeah.
who have actually been here before.
Adhar and Co.
Yes. चावल मंगाना पड़ा. चावल मंगाना पड़ा.
चावल बना देते हैं ना.
आशिफ भाई की सर आएगा. We want.
Adhar. Oh my god. Dude.
Yeah.
Oh my
The prawns
god.
one or the chicken?
Yes.
Okay.
Are
I'm
you
I'm
shocked?
coming. I'm coming.
भाई क्या quality है ये?
What, the gravy or the prawn? Or both?
The gravy.
Okay. Chalo.
Oh my god, even this shakuti. बाप रे. एक राइस और देंगे प्लीज. Thank you. No, first taste it as is without limbu.
damn.
Without limbu because it proper खट्टा है already.
Okay.
कमाल बाबा.
Good.
Man, I was starved for
The prawn is so well done.
Yeah. This I don't get in Bangalore at all. Obviously, you get only in Goa.
One more reason.
Yeah.
One more
To
reason.
move to Goa.
Yeah.
Honestly, for me, this is the number one reason. Shubham, try the poi.
तो ठंडा हो जाएगा. हाँ, try it. Oh, it is
Dense हो गया अंदर. हाँ. पूरी जैसा नहीं है.
तेरे को लगा
It's more like kulcha.
तेरे को लगा कोलैप्स होगा ना एकदम ऐसे.
Poi is gone kulcha.
Better than kulcha.
Yeah.
पाव की फैमिली में है ये.
Yeah. Poi is gone bao.
This is like breakfast you get ना खाने वाले ना.
Raw omelette.
Yes. Just do that.
No, this prawn curry is next level. It's really yum.
We're still at it.
I know now when the sniffling starts,
Yes.
you know all the masalas have hit all the right spots.
The poi is so nice.
Oh, I didn't tell
You
you.
have to try the please. Just poi and the curry.
The shakuti curry.
Yeah.
The shakuti curry is the revelation.
Yeah. Even though this one is more profile
Rounded.
and all, but
Yeah.
that one has its own.
It's got a more of a spicy hit.
You know, background of garam masala.
Yeah.
Sort of thing.
Muscle hits you at the back of your tongue. The Korean Saudi curry.
Yeah.
I शपथ आणि लिंबू. सुख. Which is why even chicken curries in Goa are something else. The masala lifts it up too.
Chicken is also very
So soft, so slow cooked. नहीं मैं कह रहा था by default we eat seafood,
Yeah.
but
How do I do this? Lena Shubham rice.
so where is Konkani Canteen for people to come? Answer.
What?
Where is it? Area wise, बताओ.
What? Sorry, I'm so distracted by food.
That's okay. Which area is Konkani Canteen in?
This is Punjab. This is like main old city sort of thing.
Also capital है ना?
Yeah, the capital. Yeah. We have a lot of nice restaurants, lot of stuff. There's, I think a few lanes behind is Joseph's Bar. It's one of the oldest bars there.
And there's this Chinese place right in front of this.
Yeah, I've never heard of it, but it looks really good.
Apparently it's Goa's number one Chinese. Goen Chin.
But this has a lot of good restaurants. A lot of good. There's a Mexican restaurant down the lane. I remember these two girls, last time when I come, they had recently opened an open kitchen. So on the ground floor when you enter the kitchen. Like they're cooking there and then they don't have any seating. On top is just like a floor and you just sit on the floor. They have some like wooden seats and all for people who can't sit on the floor. And you can see everything. Very limited menu.
Let's go now.
Yeah, we'll go there. As always with all things other, I missed the name. But I have it saved on my
Good to know I'm not the only person with
Oh,
poor
yes.
memory.
Yeah.
Always the butt of jokes. क्या उम्र हो गई है कुछ याद नहीं रहता.
I am the son of that mother who would call me into the kitchen and say, "Adhar, वहाँ से वो लेके आओ,
No.
वहाँ से वो लेके आओ." And I would know कहाँ से क्या लेके आओ.
What do you mean वहाँ से वो लेके आओ?
She would say, "Adhar, वहाँ से वो लेके आओ." And I would know. I was like, "Your mom, I know what you mean."
Telepathic communication.
Hmm.
मैं राइस ले लूँ? शुभम थोड़ा लेगा राइस?
तुम ले ले यार.
नहीं ये ले थोड़ा.
No, मैं हो गया.
But I'm so full by the way.
Yeah. अभी over
मैं बोला तेरे को.
We have entered overeating territory, but that's okay. क्या बोला?
We ordered a little too much.
वो कहते हैं ना कि पेट भर गया लेकिन मन नहीं भरा.
And it's funny, man. Like in the last 5 months, I've been a vegetarian. It's only since yesterday that I was like, you know what? I think I'm gonna have some non-veg, and then I'm like in Goa, so I was like, let's do this. Last time I was in the same restaurant was in 2022 with Disha. We had come here for lunch.
Oh, when you ate the thali.
Yeah, we had
They said they do thali only for lunch.
Yeah.
I love your Swades ringtone. एक मसल उठा लो एंड में.
It's not so there. Can you tell कहाँ का है ये? सोच. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है स्टोरी रिंगटोन की.
नो ये स्वदेश का बीजीएम है.
नहीं.
This is AR Rahman स्वदेश.
This is AR Rahman. This is not Suresh.
It is caller tune.
Of Salim. I will tell you, this is called Salim's caller tune from his movie.
Salim कौन है?
You will know when you know.
Got it.
Bata.
No, but this song is on Spotify as Swadesh
No.
Suite SUITE by AR Rahman.
No, this song is on Spotify, YouTube, whatever, as Salim's ringtone by A.R. Rahman from the movie Slumdog Millionaire.
No way.
Yes, sir.
ये धुन तब बनी थी.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is incredible. I have no idea. That is mad trivia.
Back then, I went on torrent I found this ringtone. MP3 file. Downloaded it.
Bro, respect.
Put in my BlackBerry Bold or whatever. I think I had a. I don't know. I'll tell you what man.
Respect, respect.
You had that Moto some phone like the one the flip
Moto Razr.
V2 Razr V2 I think something like that. Yeah. And उसमें मैंने वो फाइल
Remember that? Hello, Moto. Oh, क्या epic ad था. कोई ले लूँ मैं? कोई मिल गया.
Oh God.
We have inhaled the food. ये कढ़ाई से खाने में जो आनंद है. Sweet too. I go. Yeah.
कौन सा ये? The
Fish curry.
नहीं, मैं-
Prawn curry. I go.
You know what? I'm going to get this parcel unless we're finishing it.
No, no, we won't be able to. लेके जाओ.
We will have it tomorrow with the rice.
You're feeling better?
I like तो घर की तरह से उसको कहते हैं देगचा चाट के खाना कहने से जैसे उसको नीचे चाट लेने का देगचा
No shame loss.
Of course not. No space for shame.
Bro, 10 on 10.
Yeah?
10 on 10. Hey girl, as a complete tangential afterthought, मेरे को इतना बुरा लगता है
Oh?
फिर हम जो उंगलियां चाट के खाना नहीं खा सकते मतलब
हाँ कल्चरली
एंड इतना जज करते हैं उंगली चाटने का जो सुख है जीवन में उससे वंचित रहेंगे
जबकि
हाँ
What's the Jesus on set?
जबकि it is their ad which says finger licking good.
ऐड क्या ओ वाओ यार
Yeah.
ओ वाओ यार I didn't think of that.
Yeah.
बिबिंका लास्ट पीस सेराडूरा तूने उड़ाया मैं बिबिंका उड़ाएगा
Sorry मैंने
शुभम
उड़ा दिया.
तेंडुलकर
I'm so sorry मैंने उड़ा दिया.
तेरे को चाहिए
It is.
नुसती मजा आली झालं का मंडळ आभारी धन्यवाद थँक्यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग बी गुड पीपल मस्त जेवण खा वेन इन डाउट जस्ट ईट इट आउट जब भी कुछ क्लेश होगा लाइफ में जस्ट गो ईट अ यमी मील सब चंगा सी
Nothing what a good meal can't solve.
डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प को कोई बढ़िया ये फिश करी खिलाओ यार वो ग्रीनलैंड छोड़ देगा
I think yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
brother.
They're like, India is so good, so good, so good, so good. I think my friend Modi, Swami Vivekananda. I can take over you. You don't need.
विवेकानंद तो बेस्ट था हैप्पी दीपावली का क्या किया था हैप्पी दीपावली
Balika.
एपिक एपिक है कंटेंट के लिए तो
I'm so happy to sit under a rock and not know all. This is happy.
नींबू पाई
कैसी है? हाँ नींबू. चलो we'll ask him. हो गया? Boys done? Done? See you. Bye bye.